Today, I'm excited to present our blended online language learning module for Spanish. This module is designed for beginners who aim to develop foundational skills in Spanish through a combination of interactive and structured learning experiences. Our approach integrates both synchronous and asynchronous methods, ensuring that learners can engage at their own pace while also
To
benefiting from
start,
real-time
let's
interaction.
take a look at our target learners. This module is designed for beginners who want to achieve basic fluency. We focus on essential vocabulary, common phrases, and fundamental grammar. Since many learners are visual and auditory, we incorporate multimedia tools to enhance engagement. Additionally, this module is designed for students who have access to devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones, ensuring accessibility for online learning. This module provides an introductory experience to Spanish through a blended learning approach, incorporating both guided lessons and self-paced activities. The course runs for about 4 to 6 hours, with an emphasis on reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Before diving into the lessons, I start with a pre-test using Kahoot. This assessment gauges learners' prior knowledge through vocabulary matching and basic grammar questions. For example, learners might answer "What does hula mean?" or identify the correct article for feminine singular nouns. This helps tailor the lessons to their needs. The first lesson focuses on basic greetings and introductions. Learners will be able to greet others in Spanish, introduce themselves, and respond to common conversational phrases. These skills are essential for everyday interactions and cultural. A key foundation of Spanish is its alphabet, which includes 27 letters, such as the unique ñ. Pronunciation practice is vital to ensure correct articulation. We introduce common greetings like hola or hello, buenos dias or good morning, ¿cómo estás? How are you? This lesson builds a strong foundation for further learning. Next, learners practice introducing themselves. Key phrases include me llamo or my name is and soy de or I'm from, telling what country, and mucho gusto, nice to meet you. Additionally, we emphasize the difference between formal and informal speech in Spanish, such as using tú versus usted. To reinforce learning, we incorporate interactive activities such as pronunciation practice through listening and speaking exercises, dialogue creation where students write and record conversations, live speed conversations via Zoom or Google Meet to apply what they've learned. Moving forward, we introduce basic sentence construction. Learners will use a subject verb object structure to form simple sentences like "Yo estudio español" or "I study Spanish." "Maria tiene un libro" or "Maria has a book." This allows them to build confidence in forming sentences independently. To help learners express themselves more effectively, we introduce common verbs such as ser or to be, tener or to have, viver to live, and estudiar to study. By expanding their vocabulary, learners can form more complex sentences such as assessment is an essential component of learning. We use formative assessments like participation in live sessions, quizzes on Kahoot or quizzes, and peer discussions. Summative assessments such as a final recorded dialogue, written portfolio, and a comprehensive online quiz to evaluate learning outcomes. Finally, our module integrates various digital tools to enhance the learning experience. Go Google Classroom or Moodle for structured learning, Zoom or Google Meet for live interactions, and Kahoot for gamified quizzes, Flipgrid or Padlet for multimedia engagement, and Google Docs for collaborative activities. Each tool is carefully chosen to ensure active participation, engagement, and effective feedback. In conclusion, this blended online language learning module for Spanish offers an engaging and interactive way for beginners to develop foundational Spanish skills. By combining structured lessons, interactive activities, and digital tools, we ensure an effective and enjoyable learning experience. That's all, and thank you for your time.